In this video, you'll learn how to install Claude Code on Windows without requiring administrative rights. The process involves installing Node.js or Python, setting up Claude Code using the Node.js CLI, creating a Python virtual environment, and finally, configuring your API key. To begin, you need to install Node.js or Python without admin rights. For Node.js, navigate to the Node.js website and download the Windows zip version of the LTS release. Once the download is complete, extract the contents to a folder located at CE. Use as your name Node.js, replacing your name with your actual username. This will ensure that Node.js is accessible without needing admin privileges. Next, you will need to temporarily add Node.js to your system's path. Open a terminal window and enter the command set path C users your name Node-path%. This step allows you to use Node.js commands in the terminal session. Remember, this change is temporary and will only last for the duration of the terminal session. If you prefer to use Python, download the Python installer named Python 3.120-md64.exe. To install Python in user mode, run the installer with the command Python 3.120-amd64.exe/quiet install all users =0 prep and path Python 3.1.2. This command installs Python without requiring admin rights and adds it to the path automatically. Once you've installed either Node.js or Python, you can proceed to install Claude Code. Open Windows Terminal, which does not require administrative access. For the Node.js CLI, enter the command npm install Claude Code k prefix %usr profile %npm. This installs Claude Code in your after installation. Add the npm binaries to your path by executing setx path %usr profile %npm %usr profile %npm node modules bin %path close and reopen the terminal to apply this change. To verify the installation, you can check the version of Claude Code by running claude-version in the terminal. This command should return the installed version of Claude Code, confirming that the installation was successful. You are using Python. Create a project folder by executing maxa %US projector Claude_project, then change into that directory with cd %US project. Inside your project folder, create a virtual environment by running python-m activate the virtual environment with. After activating, install Claude Code by executing pip install Claude Code python.m. To ensure the installation was successful, you can test it by running python-c import Claude_code print Claude Code installed successfully in the terminal. The final step is to set your API key locally. For Python, create a dev file in your project folder and add the line CLOD_API_key_here, replacing your _API_key_here with your actual API key. For Node.js CLI, run the command setxx ca2d_ap_key_here in the terminal. Close and reopen the terminal to apply these settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.